Hello everyone, let's start fast. Today slide is just about this effect that you can see here happened when we use you see it here, this effect. Let's try to create it really fast. Okay, at first we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide we format the background, and in the background we set our picture from the insert and then apply it to all. Okay, then we have our text. This is just some simple text about Nigeria Fall. And after that we need to create some triangles. We create them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and select all of them, make them black and shape outline to none. Now what we do, we just simply copy the text, but before copying the text, copy this slide, select all of them, set the transition to low, then select all of them, align them center, align them middle, and bring them here. Now we copy the text, paste it here, and copy the text and paste it here. You see, but it's all black. So how we can make it not to black? We just need to reduce the transparency to make it visible. Now set the transition to morph, and everything is ready. Under 2 minutes you create a great effect for your presentation. You can also increase the duration for more beautiful view. Have a nice time. Until then, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments.